Hello friends. So today I think I'll make a pickle for you, and this is a sweet and sour Khatta Meetha Achaar, and it's a mixed vegetable. So you can see this is cauliflower which I had shown you, and I've just cut it into florets. And here I have peeled the carrots and the mooli as well as the turnip and the beans. I've just taken off the ends. The chilies are straight as they are. So here's the water that I have boiled to blanch them. So all that we need to is blanch the vegetables and put them out to dry. So I'm going to show you how to cut the vegetables. See, you can slice it or just cut it into cubes. I'm cutting it into small cubes. You can make little bigger slices also if you want. In this carrots, I like to cut them lengthwise. Now if this part is yellow, you have to remove it. Similarly, you can cut the mooli. Now here are the beans. These also need to be just chopped into bits like this. And this chilies just needs a little bit of a slit. That's it. So now all my vegetables are cut. As you can see, they're all nicely cut. And I'm keeping the chilies aside because I don't want to blanch them along with this. Only in the end I will just add the chilies and take them out because I don't want them to become too soft. Now here is the water that has been boiling, and it's nicely boiled. I'm adding haldi and I'm adding salt. You can add extra salt because the water will drain out. This is only to blanch the vegetables. This has to blanch for at least 4 to 5 minutes, and this will just cover it and leave it for about 5 minutes, and you can switch off the gas. So this has been blanching for about 5 minutes. I'm going to add the chilies in this and leave them for maybe a minute. So the vegetables are blanched, I think. Let's open it. Oh yes, absolutely great. And I'll put them on this cloth here on the towel so that they will dry out. We can leave them for 5-6 hours, or you can put it out in the sun for 1 or 2 hours. It should not be put out in the sun too much, otherwise they lose the color. So here we are back. It's the next day now. I left this overnight on a piece of cloth and let it dry. And here is my oil, which has been mustard oil, which is preheated. I've used about 1 cup. This is about a little more than a kilo. So about 1 cup. We don't need too much oil. Later on, after it's ready, if you feel that you want to keep it outside and not in the refrigerator, you can add more oil after preheating and cooling it. Now here is a powder I have made out of zira, which was 1 tablespoon, saunf 1 tablespoon, 2 large cardamoms, about 1 teaspoon of black pepper, and here is just 3 or 4 cloves. So I pre-roasted them a little bit and then made a powder out of it. Okay. As you can see, this is salt. This is 2 tablespoons, and this is Kashmiri red chili powder, which is 2 tablespoons. Here is a combination of mustard seeds. I have used only these 2, and I have slightly warmed it up, not roasted it, because if you roast the mustard seeds, they get bitter. This is 1 cup of vinegar and about 3/4 cup of jaggery. And here is 1 tablespoon each of ginger and garlic paste. So we first put the hing in, not too much, just a pinch. Now I'll add the ginger garlic paste. We have to cook this a little bit. So as you can see, the ginger garlic has become slightly brown. So now I'm going to add the spices. So here goes the fennel seeds and jeera and the pepper. This is a very slow heat, very low heat. So here I'm going to add the jaggery and the vinegar. Just cook it till the vinegar boils. So you can see that the vinegar has started bubbling and look at the color that has come out. And now the only thing we need to do is add the vegetables. And that's it. The pickle is ready to be bottled, and then we can just put it in the sun for 3 days maybe, or 2 or 3 days, or you can start eating right away if you like. So my pickle is ready, as you can see, and the colors have come out so beautiful. So please make it in winter and store it and use it for the whole year. If you can keep it in the fridge, it will be better. Otherwise you have to top it with oil to be able to store it. Thank you. Watch again, and please subscribe to my channel, to Varun's channel actually, not my channel, and press the bell button if you haven't done so already. Thank you so much.